Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indrani Cooks, where I make cooking easy and fun filled. Today I'm going to make a lovely cocktail snacks sausage tossed in a little bit of vegetables. Here I have taken chicken cocktail sausage from Horin Ghata Meat. This is not a paid promotion friends. I have used this sausage packet, so I'm showing you all this. Take a pan, heat a pan and add a little bit of butter to it. This packet contains 20 pieces. I am doing half of it. So here I have added a little bit of garlic, a little bit of onion, all finely chopped, red bell pepper. You can add yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, whichever you have. And here one dry red chili I have chopped roughly. All this goes into the butter, a simmering butter. Do not raise the flame too much. Now add the cocktail sausages. They are small in size. They are very tasty. I have used the normal one. They have many other flavors also. You can try them. But for me, this was the best. Now fry them till they acquire patches on them. Now here I'm chopping one green chili. This of course you adjust according to your taste. You can adjust the seasonings according to your taste. Now fry this nicely. Add a little bit of oregano, everything very little, not too much overpowering. And here goes the catch of the dish. This is a tips from my little friend. Here this chili oil. I have added a chili oil, 1/4 teaspoonful chili oil and 1 teaspoonful of onion. Now add everything very nicely. I have added this onion extra because this gives an extra crunch also. This is really very nice. And add a little bit of salt because it already contains salt. So adjust the seasoning accordingly. And a pinch of sugar, say 2 or 3 crystals of sugar. Now mix this everything very nicely. Instead of sugar, you can drizzle a little bit of honey also. That also gives lovely taste and glaze. Friends, if you all like my recipe, please don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends as much as possible. And those who are new to my channel, my humble request, please do subscribe. Now my cocktail snacks is totally ready. You can have this anytime, either breakfast, dinner or lunch, or with anything, whatever is your choice. Finally, I have garnished it with a little bit of parsley. Instead of parsley, you can use coriander also. Be happy, be merry. Catch you all soon again. Thanks for watching.